Hey y'all, so welcome to basically part 3. Ooh, my hair's still wet. Welcome to part 3 of the, what would I even call this? Well, we're just gonna call it Trying Out New Products series, but this is part 3. So part 1 was me taking out my goddess locks and showing my hair, and then part 2 was me washing my hair with the Maya Organics for the first time. Never tried them before, so go check out that. And this is the third part, and then the fourth part will be me styling my natural hair, and I'm thinking about doing a wash and go. So if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe so you can see me do my wash and go and see how it comes out using some new products I've never tried before. So yeah, so this is the new Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates or mineral oil. Okay, so it's for dry, damaged hair. If you're new, then I didn't buy the whole line because they didn't have it in the stores, but I still wanted to try something out from the line. So I got the hair mask and I got the cream, whatever it's called.
It says, after using the shampoo, evenly apply a generous amount to clean wet hair from roots to ends, concentrating on dry or damaged areas. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. For rapid restoration after applying mask, proceed with hair steaming or sit under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap. Use weekly for best results. So we're gonna try this out.
I haven't smelled it yet, so whoa, okay. Okay, so it's like really, what would you call this? Like watery? Yeah. So usually like when you open up a hair mask, my Shea Moisture hair mask had like a white thing over it, so I had to like peel it off. But once I opened this one, it didn't have up there, so it spilled out. So I'm just gonna wipe this off. It smells like soap. It smells good. Yeah, it smells like Dove soap. Okay, so I need my comb. So what I'm gonna do is section my hair off, and I actually need rubber bands. Like, why didn't I bring some rubber bands up in here? Okay, so I'm gonna section my hair off into 4 sections, and I'm gonna apply the well, actually I don't need rubber bands, I can twist it. Apply the hair mask. Why is it so close? Okay, that really smells good. Like, it smells extremely good. Okay, so I'm gonna take, oh yeah, this is really watery. Yeah, it's really watery. So I'm just gonna take the hair mask and put it all over my hair, and then I'm gonna twist it up. Okay, I don't feel like having this around me, but my hair is dripping. Okay, so my first impressions about it so far is I don't like how watery it is. Like, it's getting everywhere. It's getting on the floor. So yeah, that's one con for me. And then the one pro so far is the smell. I love the smell. I'm trying to make sure I get all of my hair, because my hair has been in goddess locks for 2 months, so you know, I want to make sure it gets really hydrated, really, really clean, really moisturized, all that. Okay, I gotta put this back around me. Make sure I get my roots. Okay. So I will say that it goes on to my hair really good. It doesn't feel like it's just there. Like, it feels like it's inside my hair, if you know what I mean. I hope y'all know what I mean. Okay, I'm actually gonna braid this part instead of doing a twist. Well, I attempted to braid. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, so now that I'm done putting in my hair, I'm just gonna put my shower cap on and let this sit in my hair for 10 minutes, and then I'll come back.
Wow. Good evening, folks. I am Shania's grandmother. Thank y'all so much for following her.
Why are you talking like that?
Because it's the way I talk.
You don't want him being fake.
When we really get on. Yo, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing this evening? Hey, this is Shania's grandma. Man, I'm proud of that girl. She rocks. She's a next entrepreneur in our family. She's doing it. Thank y'all so much.
Okay, so I'm about to go in the kitchen and rinse this out. So, let's go. So I just finished rinsing out the hair mask. Now let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Like, I mean, 100 with y'all. My hair feels really good. Like, it feels so soft, and honestly, like, y'all can just look at it and it looks pretty. Like, it looks really good, and it does not feel dry at all. It feels very soft. I still have some hair coming out, but I haven't combed my hair, like really combed my hair, so hair still won't come out. But yeah, my hair feels extremely soft. I'm gonna do a little turnaround so y'all can just see my hair. So I definitely will keep using this one. So if y'all haven't saw my other basically like deep conditioning video, go check it out. That one I used the Shea Moisture. Let me go get it. I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafira Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I would say between these two, because these are the only ones that I've tried, I would say this one is better. Like, my hair feels really soft, and I can smell it. Like, it smells so good. My hair feels moisturized. It feels really good. Like, if I wanted to, I could just go out just like this. But yeah, make sure, oop, look, make sure that you go check out my other deep conditioning video and basically all my other natural hair videos. Go check those out. If you have any video suggestions or maybe any hair products you want me to try out, leave them down below. And yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.